Hey there, everybody. What is going on? So, here's what we have going on. Dana and I over at ZeroToIncome.com are working on a project. So, this current project is all going to be focused on website development. And it's going to be a series of videos that we're going to be doing on developing your website. Very first thing that you need to do when you're going through and getting ready to develop a website. So, this video is just going to be what you need to do to prepare before you even sit down and start doing all the website stuff. All right, we use two different tools. All right, both by Donald Miller. First one that I'm going to strongly encourage all of you to go and do is to go to mystorybrand.com, create an account. Again, I'm not affiliate with Donald Miller. He's just got great stuff. And if you do all this that I'm talking about right now, you don't necessarily have to go read his books, although he's got a lot of great content in those books. I believe the one is My Story Brand. And then the other one is Marketing Made Simple, and he's got some other books as well. I haven't read Business Made Simple yet, but it's on my list of books I need to read. But the book that goes along with mystorybrand.com is called Building a Story Brand. The other one, again, that goes with the marketingmadesimple.com is a book that's titled Marketing Made Simple. Go and create an account, whether you read these books or not. Go and create an account on mystorybrand.com and go through the exercises to create what Donald Miller calls a brand script. What these exercises are going to do is give you all of the material that you're going to need for your marketing, for your website, for your emails, for your podcasts, for your blog. It identifies, it helps you identify, hey, what problem am I solving? How am I solving it? What does when somebody comes and uses my service or purchases my product, how is their life going to be different? Those are all kind of the questions that kind of go into play that you want to develop before you ever sit down to work on your website. All right. So Dana and I have done this. We spent quite a bit of time. It doesn't necessarily have to take a lot of time, but we've really just kind of been going back and forth and making sure, reviewing things. But now that we've got it, we go and we look at our brand notes all the time whenever we're doing stuff. It's just all the time. When I'm doing a website, I have one monitor open where I'm working on the website, other monitors open where I've got all my notes for my brand script and all the stuff that Dana and I have created. Um, and I'm plugging things in from my notes that I've taken by going through these Donald Miller tools. So once you've done that on my story brand and you've gotten everything ironed out there, what I want you to do next, and again, this is another tool I have open in my other browser that I'm using, and it is on marketingmadesimple.com. At the very top of that, there is a link. He doesn't have call to action buttons on his site for this transitional call to action, which is his free lead magnet. But the very top in his navigation menu is download the sales funnel plan. That is free. It's like 16 pages and it goes through, it kind of builds on what you do in My Story Brand. And it goes through, and again, you create your one liner, which you've probably already created from the mystorybrand.com. It goes through all the sections of the website. There's 9 different sections. 2 of them are optional. We'll talk about that in other videos as well. And it breaks down, it wireframes your website for you. And you can go and do this. This technique and this approach is going to work no matter what platform you're using, whether you're using Podia or Kajabi or System or WordPress. It doesn't matter. This is going to work as far as laying out your website, and you just different sections, different blocks. Okay, block 1, header. Block 2, the stakes. Block 3, value proposition. On and on and on all the way down. Okay, and then this guide also has outlines for, it's a funnel plan. So it's not just your website. A funnel is made up of a website, of the lead magnet, of your email campaigns. So, this thing lines out all kinds of things. It even goes through, setting up a lead magnet. It even goes through your emails. So there's a lot to it. For this particular project that Dana and I are working on, we're really focused on those first couple of pages that are all on the wireframe of the website. Okay, so go and do that. The next couple of videos that we're going to be going through are just going to be going through our process for setting up a website. I'll go through the zero to income website with you and point some things out. But right now, go jump on to mystorybrand.com, create an account, go through the script. Could take you a half hour to an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Come back to it. You don't have to do it all at once. Dan and I have chunked it out. We've come back and worked on it before since then, and there are times where we can knock it out in like a half hour, 45 minutes. As you do this, you get better and better and better at it. And then go to marketingmadesimple.com. And again, in the navigation menu, download my sales funnel. That's where you want to click on to get that free sales funnel. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll have these links down below in the description as well. We'll also have some other links you can jump on and check out. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.